Hello everyone. Today we're going to plant, or replant I should say, our cucumbers. We were just getting cucumbers. They were, this big, and freeze came and wiped everything out. So I've got some organic fertilizer. We got some Black Kow. Got our trellis right here. You can see the trellis. And that's what they're going to grow up on. So I've got my dirt. First I'm going to put some Black Kow. Mix that in. A little bit more. You don't need a bunch, we're just trying to get it on top. And I'm going to mix it in. Get that going. Push some over here. We're going to fertilize. Not a whole bunch, just a little bit. It's going to hopefully kick them off good. Then I'm going to finish mixing it. Gardening is all about the base. You can plant as many plants as you want to, but if you don't prep the soil properly, you're going to have a crappy crop. If you prep the soil properly, take more time with that, plus plant less plants, you're going to have, a lot more fruit or vegetables that you're going to be bringing to the table. And then this part's pretty simple. I'm going to kind of make it smooth. I'm going to take the whole packet. I'm actually doing this side with this type, and then I'm doing the other side with another type. Let's get that glove off. But these are the point set. I like them when they're not too thick, and I don't want thick husks on them. I like skinnier cucumbers with less seeds. There's a variety out there that's super long, like 30 inches. That one I like a lot. So let's put our holes, 4 or 5 inches apart. Let's put a hole about an inch down. All the way down. Actually, you know what? Let's do that again because I want to get it closer to the trellis so I can train it easier. There's our first one. Actually, might as well put one there. And then I wait till the end to cover up the holes. That way I know I've got a seed in every one. Get that stone out of there. Yeah, they're nice small seeds, so I'm doing one at a time. No more than an inch down. And then cover them up. And then we're going to water, and that's all there is. Real quick, they're going to start growing up the trellis. Like I said, we had nice ones before. They had cucumbers about this big, and then last week the freeze came and wiped them out. So that's it for today, and thanks for watching. See ya.